Hey everyone, welcome back to the Simple Dad channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to create a Facebook post with a cool background that has a solid color or some patterns or some emoji. So let's open up the Facebook app and then tap on What's on Your Mind box next to your profile image to create a new post. Now type in what you want your post to say. Now after you've done that, look below and you'll see several tiles with different images on it. Tap on it and choose what you would like your background image to be. If you tap on the box with the pin pad, you'll get more choices of background. Once you've selected your background, you're now ready to post. Tap on post and the post will be posted to your Facebook page. And there you go guys, that is how to create a Facebook post with a cool background. Hope this has helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.